because he's navigating. I made it! How to go on my flight. It's bittersweet, very bittersweet. I'm so excited to go, but I kind of don't want to go. I kind of want to cry. I don't want to leave my mask. How are you at Hamburg?
Bound for New York.
Secure your mask flap before helping others.
Far off places, my love she sits. My love is waiting to set me free. Do you believe the realest things don't take up spaces?
Hi, I just got to Yale. Kinda can't believe I'm here. It feels so strange to say that, like, oh, I'm in Yale right now. But yeah, I just got off my flight. It was a very long 18 hours. With unpacking and everything, I just want to show you what my room looks like. Fully empty, exactly as it comes. So I'm currently at Ezra Stiles College, and I live in a double room. So that means I share a room with one person. I don't think she's here yet, so I'm gonna move in first. So I'm gonna show you my room now. I'm so excited. Nice and cozy. I'm gonna give you a mini room tour. Right at the door, we have my wardrobe. So this is how it looks like on the inside. There's also a chest of drawers over here. And we have the bed, which is honestly quite high up. I have very short legs. I'm a very short person. So I think I'm gonna have to like jump on the bed every night. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Any short people can relate. So this is my bedding. Yeah, it's really nice that they provided bedding. It came in this big box over here, which I will also unpack for you. It looks very cozy from what I can see over here. Ooh, this looks very fluffy. I'm excited. Some of my items here. This is a welcome pack that they gave. My ID. Leftover supper. Of course, this did not come from the room. And this is the view from my room. It looks pretty nice, actually. Honestly, it's so cold. I think it's like -7 out. Very, very cold. My chair. It's a little rocking situation. So yeah, this is home for the next few months. Okay, let's unpack this big, oh my gosh, this big pop of bedding together. There were no elevators coming up. So I had to, and with the very gracious help of another fellow visiting student and a Yale student, carried up my bags all the 4 floors. I was so embarrassed. I was like, oh my god, I'm so weak. I can't do this. And it was like so slow and they were helping me so much. I did not pack for no elevator. Oh! Oh my god. Okay. It's just a box. I can do it. I can open this box. And then we have 6-piece towel set, a comforter. Definitely gonna need that. It's so cold. A New Haven. We have some bed sheets, a pillow, as well as a quilted mattress pad. Very nice. I will be very comfy on my bed, I feel. Looking cute. She looking very cute. I am gonna show you what's inside the welcome pack. It's just me procrastinating unpacking the rest of my stuff. So thank you for helping me with that. It's very cute Ezra Styles flag. Blanket. Campus map. A Yale water bottle. My ID. Yale pen. Yale shirt. Realize I forgot to pack a very important thing. Hangers! I'm currently in self-quarantine. So when you arrive at Yale, you have a mandatory self-quarantine period, so you can't leave your room until you get a COVID swab and the test comes out as negative. So I'm doing my test tomorrow and the test comes out the day after. So basically that's 3 days from now. So I'm in quarantine for 3 days and I can't go and buy hangers. So I think the plan is just live out of these 2 suitcases for now. We're not off to a great start, but it's okay. We will make do in any way that we can. It is 11 p.m. so I'm gonna clean up, get to bed because tomorrow is the first day of orientation. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm excited. Okay.